Hi! In front of me is ZTE A53 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access About Phone section. Now tap on device name at the top right corner and type in wherever you wish to. I will go with flower. When you're ready, click on Save. And as you can see after that, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!